Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report. For Thursday, 21st May, 2026, let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets rebounded sharply overnight, with the Nasdaq Composite surging around approximately 1.6%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining approximately 1.3%, and the S&P 500 rising approximately 1.1%, snapping a three-session losing streak. The rally was driven by renewed optimism around AI and semiconductor stocks ahead of key tech earnings, while easing Treasury yields and a slight pullback in crude oil prices also helped improve investor sentiment. Asian markets are trading mostly positive today, with the Nikkei 225 gaining over 3%, while the Hang Seng and Kospi also traded higher, with the latter gaining over 6%. Improved global risk sentiment, easing Treasury yields, and optimism around upcoming tech earnings are supporting Asian equities, although elevated crude oil prices and geopolitical tensions in the Middle East continue to keep investors cautious. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,795, thereby indicating a positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading slightly lower but remain elevated, as easing concerns around immediate supply disruptions triggered mild profit booking despite ongoing Middle East tensions and uncertainty around U.S.-Iran negotiations. Gold prices are trading firm with a positive bias supported by safe haven demand, softer Treasury yields, and expectations of future rate cuts, although improved global equity sentiment is limiting sharper upside momentum. Bosch reported a steady Q4 FY26 performance, with consolidated net profit rising 2.7% YOY to 568.5 crore rupees, while revenue grew 13.3% to 5,566 crore rupees. The growth was supported by healthy demand in the automotive and mobility solutions business. Aditya Birla Capital's board has approved a preferential fundraise worth 4,000 crore rupees involving investments from Grasim Industries, International Finance Corporation, and group entity Suryaja Investment. The capital infusion is aimed at strengthening the company's balance sheet and supporting its next phase of growth. Jubilant FoodWorks reported a strong Q4 FY26 performance, with revenue rising 19.3% YOY to 2,499 crore rupees, while net profit jumped 67% to 82 crore rupees. The growth reflects strong demand momentum and improved operational performance across its quick-service restaurant business. Following the mostly positive cues from the global markets coupled with a correction in crude oil prices, Nifty is expected to open in the green today. Supports for the index based on indicative open may be readjusted to 23,690, followed by 23,580, while resistances will be at 23,800, followed by 23,910. A positive bias may be expected at open. However, profit booking in the latter half could cause a correction. Elevated crude oil prices, persistent geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, rising global bond yields, inflation concerns, and volatility in FII flows remain key risks for Indian markets, keeping pressure on investor sentiment, currency stability, and inflation expectations. Strong momentum in global AI and technology stocks. Easing Treasury yields, resilient domestic institutional buying, and healthy Q4 earnings momentum from Indian corporates could continue to support Indian equities and broader market sentiment. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 1,597 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 1,968 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on May 21, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.